Stop what you're doing for 60 seconds. If you're running a small business in 2026 and you're not using AI, you're already competing against businesses that have invisible employees working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for almost nothing. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact tools and systems that businesses are using right now to automate the work that's eating your time and costing you money. No coding, no tech background needed. Let's get into it. Here is what changed. 2 years ago, AI tools were expensive, complicated, and mostly used by big corporations with full tech teams. That is not the world we live in today. Today, there are AI tools that cost less than a coffee per month, that can write your emails, answer your customers, build your social media content, and handle your bookkeeping. Tools that used to require hiring 3 different people. The businesses winning right now are not necessarily the biggest ones. They are the ones that learned how to work smarter, not harder. And that is exactly what this channel is about. Let's start with marketing. The thing that most small business owners either hate doing or don't have time for. Here is the truth. Content creation does not have to take hours anymore. With a tool like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper, you can describe your business and your offer in 1 sentence. And the AI will write your Instagram caption, your Facebook post, your email newsletter, and your Google Business update, all in under 5 minutes. You can take that further. Tools like Buffer and Metricool can then automatically schedule those posts across every platform: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, at the best time for your audience. Your marketing runs on autopilot while you focus on your actual business. Second use case, customer support. If you have ever missed a customer message because you were busy, or if you are manually answering the same 5 questions over and over again, this section is for you. AI chatbots can now be installed on your website in about 20 minutes. Tools like Tidio, Intercom, and even a simple ChatGPT plugin can answer customer questions around the clock. What are your hours? Do you offer this service? How much does it cost? Automatically, without you lifting a finger. For businesses with physical locations, restaurants, salons, gyms, retail shops, this is a game changer. Imagine every customer question answered in under 30 seconds, even at 2 a.m. That is the kind of experience that earns 5-star reviews. Third use case, and this one is my favorite, admin and workflow automation. This is where business owners get the most time back. Think about everything you do manually: sending invoice reminders, following up with leads, updating spreadsheets, moving information from one app to another. Every one of those tasks can be automated with a tool called Zapier or Make, which connects your apps and makes them talk to each other automatically. Example: a new customer fills out your contact form. Zapier automatically adds them to your CRM, sends them a welcome email, creates a task for your team, and texts you a notification, all in seconds with no one touching a keyboard. For bookkeeping, tools like QuickBooks AI and FreshBooks now categorize your expenses automatically, flag unusual charges, and generate financial reports without you spending a weekend on spreadsheets. Now, before you go try all of these at once, let me give you the strategy that actually works. Step 1. Pick the one thing that is stealing the most time from your week. Is it writing content? Answering customer messages? Chasing invoices? Pick one. Step 2. Pick one AI tool from the section that matches your problem and spend 1 hour learning it this week. Just one tool. 1 hour. Step 3. Once that tool is running, add the next one. This is how you build an AI system that actually works, one piece at a time. The businesses that fail with AI try to automate everything at once and get overwhelmed. The businesses that win start small, get results, and build from there. Every week on this channel, I break down the exact AI tools, systems, and automations that small business owners are using to save time and grow faster. No fluff, no theory, just practical tools you can use today. If you found this useful, subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss what is coming next. And if you want the full list of tools I mentioned, it is in the description below. I will see you in the next one.